Everyone, we're going to make really simple refried beans. These are good for any Mexican recipe, from nachos, enchiladas, tostadas, you name it. You can put these in flour tortillas, you can put them on top of corn chips. We're starting with chopped onions with some Mexican spices. I'm thinking a bit of cumin in there, and we're going to cook those until they're translucent. We have ready to go a tin of tomatoes, a tin of refried beans, and some black beans. And in essence, that really is all there is to it. So into that, I'm putting a little bit of cumin seed, and then I'm going to put some refried beans. They do look a little bit like cat food, but they're absolutely delicious. Put the whole lot in. By the way, this is going to be enough for at least 6 people and maybe 2 or 3 meals. You could freeze part of it if you're living alone, or there's only 2 of you. On it goes. Doesn't look terribly appetizing, but it will be delicious. And that goes. And the next thing is some black beans or red beans. So you can use kidney beans. You could use black beans for this. You could use navy beans for this. And then last but not at all least is the tin of tomatoes. Use any tin of tomatoes. And to give it sort of a Mexican-y flavour, you're going to put a little bit of either Thai chili sauce, or you could put some of this wonderful chili sauce, which is here. This can go in many things, and in it goes. And really, that will give it a lovely smoky flavour too. That is it. Just mix it all in and heat it up, and then you're ready to go. Put some of the mixture in. Put a little cheese on the top if you eat cheese. You could put some coriander in if you've got coriander in your garden. And then fold it up. And put it into fry a little rice band oil. Otherwise you can cook it in the oven with some more tomato sauce. You can also deep fry it, or you can put it on top of nachos. And here's the final product. These are flour tortillas with the mixture in. I've just garnished it with a little bit of the sour cream. Now you can make your own sour cream with cream and some lemon or lime juice. And here's some salsa, which is simply chopped tomatoes, washed chopped tomatoes with coriander, a little bit of onion, and a little bit of lime juice, pepper and salt. Enjoy.